Welcome back! This is part 2 in a tutorial series in which I show you how to write your very own Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles fanfiction comic book script. If you missed the last episode, the link is in the description below. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Angelo, and I've been a professional computer animator since 2009. But recently, I wrote a 22-page comic book script about Blackbeard the pirate, who, legend says, buried his treasure just 2 blocks down the street from me. If you want to learn more, you can visit blackbeardcomic.com. I'm making this video series because I struggled for years to learn how to tell a good story, and I wish there had been more videos to explain how to write comics when I was starting out. So my goal is to help you to become a better writer faster. Alrighty, let's get into it. In the previous video, we ended up with a plot outline for our Ninja Turtles story. Now we're ready to move on to step 4. Organize your plot outline into pages. So how do you organize your plot outline into pages? The answer is by condensing your points into one main idea per page. Let's take a look at this before and after. Here we see our bulleted list of plot points. And now, here's our list again, but you'll notice they're now organized across 6 pages. Just to make it a little clearer, I've colored the original plot points in blue and my updates in red. Please note that in comics, all the right-hand pages are odd-numbered and all the left-hand pages are even-numbered. Let me quickly read this to you. Page 1. The turtles are captive in a gladiatorial arena. A monster is unleashed to attack them. Page 2. It just happens to be Master Splinter. The turtles run in separate directions, and the rat monster follows Michelangelo. Page 3. Michelangelo runs up the wall and backflips onto the rat monster's back. Page 4. The rat monster throws off Michelangelo, and he hits the wall, knocking him unconscious. Page 5. The rat monster decapitates Michelangelo. Page 6. Michelangelo wakes up. It was just a dream. So far, so good. Now we're ready to move on to step 5. Insert page turn devices. One of the most important things you have to remember to do is write for the page turn. Your goal as a writer is to get your reader to finish your comic book one page turn at a time. You do this by inserting cliffhangers and reveals. A cliffhanger is a suspenseful moment that motivates the reader to turn the page, whereas a reveal is a surprise that the reader sees after having turned the page. Cliffhangers should occur on the bottom of every right-hand page, whereas reveals should occur on the opposite side, specifically the first panel of every left-hand page. For example, in our Ninja Turtle story, when the gate slowly opens to reveal the creature, on the last panel of the page, the cliffhanger, one turtle exclaims, "Oh my God, it's. And the reader's wondering, who is it? Who's on the other side of that gate? Well, the reader must turn the page to find out. And when the reader does so, we reveal a big scary image of Master Splinter in rat form. With cliffhangers and reveals in mind, let's revisit our plot points. So here we see a before version of the outline with our plot points organized across 6 pages. Now, here is the after version with cliffhangers and reveals inserted. For sake of clarity, I've added them in purple. Let me quickly read this to you. Page 1. The turtles are captive in a gladiatorial arena. A monster is unleashed to attack them. Cliffhanger. Michelangelo exclaims, "Oh my God, it's..." Page 2. Reveal. It just happens to be Master Splinter. The turtles run in separate directions, and the rat monster follows Michelangelo. Page 3. Michelangelo runs up the wall and backflips onto the rat monster's back. Cliffhanger. The rat monster turns its head and bites down on Michelangelo's leg. Michelangelo exclaims, "Ow, my leg!" Page 4. Reveal. The rat monster throws off Michelangelo, and he hits the wall, knocking him unconscious. Page 5. The rat monster, ... Cliffhanger, decapitates Michelangelo. Page 6. Reveal. Michelangelo wakes up. It was a dream. Now we have a plot outline organized by pages, and designated with cliffhangers and reveals. This means we're ready to move on to part 3, in which we'll further break up our plot outline into panels, complete with descriptions, dialogue, and sound effects. You won't want to miss it. If you have any questions or feedback, please let me know in the comments section below. My mission is to improve my videos and help you. If you found this video helpful and you'd like me to keep making more, then an easy way to convey that to me is by hitting like, subscribe, and the bell icon for notifications. If you'd like to follow me on social media, then you can find the links in the description below. Lastly, if you sign up for my newsletter, I'll send you a PDF copy of today's class notes for free. The link is in the description below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.